This was a crazy movie. Just loved it. Easily one of my favorites of the year. Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince and today we're talking about the Tamil movie Kadasila Biryani, which is directed by Nishant Kalitindi. He co-wrote it with Vivekanand Kalaivanan. Produced by Why Not Studios, one of my favorites. Starring Vijay Ram, Hakim Shahjahan, Vasant Selvam, Dinesh Manni and many more. If you haven't seen the film, it's available on Netflix. Go watch it because I'll be delving into some minor spoilers. The first thing that really stands out for me in this film is the visual. It looks very different. There's something different than other movies, which makes it stand apart. I don't know, maybe it's the lens they used, maybe it's the aspect ratio, it's very different, or maybe it's the color grading. But there's something that they have, chosen to do it differently than what most movies do. The cinematography is so good. There's some gorgeous shots, which is very ironic considering what the people in this movie are doing. There are so many cool running shots where they are keeping up with the character, which has this feeling of energy and rapidness. And then suddenly we cut to a wide shot where the characters are so small and running by and it feels funny that they don't even matter. There's one thing they did with the camera which is very consistent throughout the film. When they are running with the character and if the character is left behind, the camera keeps going ahead and then it stops and then we cut back to other scene. Throughout the movie there are multiple shots of different animals, some predators, some prey, and that connects to the overall theme of the film. Recently we have seen so many films set around a jungle, like the Malayalam film Kala, Churuli. And most of those films have brought this, certain lawlessness when humans are back to jungle, their original habitat. Suddenly the animal instincts of humans come out, they are set free. And even this film, right, there's this hyper masculinity. If you are a man, you'll take revenge for your father, you'll kill him, That's something to be proud of. And even the mother is forcing these kids to do it. I love the constant Vijay Sethupathi narration going on throughout the film and love the ending when he shows up. Now I read that this film was finished making in 2018 but released now. I don't know what happened, but even now it looks really good. It doesn't feel like it hasn't aged well. It feels like a today's film. I just love the screenplay of this film. That's the hero. It is so unpredictable. It is so unprecedented. You have no idea what's going on, where it will go. Like you cannot expect anything. Anything can happen. There are several twists which happens and which is very consistent throughout the film. There are so many beautiful screenplay moments, which reminds me of Tarantino, how he writes, how to create this sudden suspense and drama and, increase the tension out of nowhere. Love the music and the sound design in the film. Again, whenever you go to forest, the sound design has to be really good. And the way the sound design is used to build up tension in sequences, it's so well done. I love that in the last 2 minutes of the film, there's no music, there's no sound. Just one narration by Vijay Sethupathi and 2 dialogues by 2 characters. That's it. I was checking my laptop. Is something wrong? I'm not hearing anything. And the title means biryani by the end, and that happens. That is the only predictable thing in the film. The film is very dark and absurd, but it's very realistic. It doesn't lose that touch. And through that, there's social commentary going on, how there's this unquestionable power this guy has. How the people who are there to, protect civilians and their rights are just standing there and witnessing everything happening around them. They are there to uphold the law, but they are only upholding the power. Come to the acting, outstanding performances by all the cast members. Vasant Selvam as the elder brother, so haunting. There's so much anger behind him. Dinesh Pandey as the second son. He was so hilarious, unintentionally. I remember one of the scenes where he has to rush to the brothers and everything wrong is happening on the way. He loses his tool, then he loses his mobile, then he falls off. That was just hilarious. Vijay Ram as Chiku Pandi, the youngest son and kind of the protagonist in the film. There were moments where his character was annoying me, but by the end I realized that was the point of it. He is kind of the odd one out here, who doesn't want to, delve into what they are doing. But Hakim Shahjahan as that psychopath, oh my god. He literally stole the show. He was so good, so scary. And it was not like, he was trying too hard. He was just being simple. And in that simple way, the way he was delivering the dialogues, it felt more menacing. And I was just, oh my god, this guy is crazy. I don't want to meet this guy ever in my life. And then Vijay Sethupathi with that just a small scene, he nailed it. And I feel only he could pull that off. Will this be my favorite Tamil film of the year? We'll find out in the video I'm making top 10 Tamil films of 2021 for me. So do subscribe to get that. Through channel membership, you can support this channel and help me continue this journey ahead. And in turn, you get various perks. To know more, click on the join button. For more information, check out the community page. So guys, that's the video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, the thumbs up button, share this video. Leave in the comments your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed yet, check out the videos if you like them too. Do subscribing and I'll see you next time.